guys, it's Cal coming at you with the second day of Christmas. Did you watch my video from yesterday where I do talk about the first day of Christmas? You know, it is PAA's 2025 Christmas Advent Calendar. You haven't watched that video, you should go back and watch it right now. I'll sit here and wait. That's okay, you go ahead. We'll wait. We'll be right here. Okay, let's check out this. Yesterday was unbelievable. Can't wait to find out what today's is. Hear that rattle. So, behind door number 2. Ooh. Rum and crumb. Wow. Can't wait to get a smell of that. Little write-up, we'll read that in just a second. We'll put this down for safekeeping. So, about a half ounce or so. Spicy. Yeah, this is really reminiscent of yesterday's sweet potato pie, but it's different. Yeah, I can't wait to find out, read all about it, but really nice, delicious spice. 1 ounce splash. Ooh. Try a bit of this on. Can't wait to get home in a few days. Over the holidays. And have a shave with this. So, let's give a read about what we have here, folks. This is Rum and Crumb. Scent profile. Bay rum and carrot cake, which is orange, nutmeg, spice, vanilla, and caramel. Right up goes on to say, from the kitchen of Cube, rum and carrot cake. 2 cups grated carrot. 1 cup dark rum. Like the good stuff. Nutmeg, spice, vanilla, and caramel drizzle. Bake until your home smells like something epic. Frost with sweet cream cheese and chase with a shave. Cube's Rum and Crumb is dessert with a swagger. Who knew bay rum and carrot cake would dance so well together? Well, I did. Sweet orange zest meets the spice rack. All doused in a droid's shot of rum. It's half dessert, half aftershave, and entirely proof the Cube's kitchen experiments have gone off the rails in the best possible way. Oh, just delicious dessert, spicy goodness. I loves me some carrot cake. So this is, wow. On top of what they hit us with yesterday for the first day of Christmas, and now they're doing this for the second day of Christmas? I can't wait to find out what tomorrow, the third day of Christmas, is going to bring. Well, tomorrow, come on back. We'll still be in the truck. We'll probably be in a different state by then. I'm in Maine right now, headed down towards New Jersey, or actually, I'm headed to Massachusetts, and then I'm headed to New Jersey, so come back and follow me for the journey. So, anyway, guys, thank you so much. You guys take care. We'll see you in a day. Bye-bye.